So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here this one question to answer on the topic concept of living. So this video will be about the cell and its environment. So in short, stay till the end of this video as you just have only this one question to answer. The question here says, active transport differs from diffusion in that active transport A occurs in both plant and animal tissues. B is very fast process. C takes place in both light and dark reactions of photosynthesis. D allows the movement of substances against concentration gradients. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D. Active transport actually allows the movement of substances against concentration gradients, and here energy is used. So that's it for that question, and this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response.